This video is to show you how to simply reset the admin password or the user password of any website at all. Whether it's a WordPress website, a Laravel website, PHP website, any website at all, following this step-by-step guide would help you reset that password immediately. Now, it works for both user login and admin login. For example, we have just forgotten the password that we use to access the admin panel of this website. As you see here, this is the page that gives us access to the admin dashboard of the website. Now we're trying to put in the admin details, put in the password, and you see sign into admin panel. You see it shows that this provided credential does not match our record. So evidently, we don't know this password. So now I'll be showing you how to reset this password and we get access to this admin of this website immediately. Now what do you need? Simply put, you just need access to your cPanel. Now this is the cPanel of the website, the control panel of the website. You get your cPanel login details, then you log into your cPanel. After logging in, search for phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin, that's exactly where we're going to be doing all the job. Go to phpMyAdmin. Then under phpMyAdmin, you now try to locate the database where you install that website. Now, if it's just one website on that server, you're going to find just one database here. As you can see, the database here. Click on the database, open, and then you go over to the admin table. You will see admins here. Click on admins here. You're going to find a list of all the admins that we have on that website. So over here, you see the admin email, and here you see the admin password. Now, if you just come in here and type any password here, it will not work because the password you see here are encrypted. They are hashed. We call them hash password. So we need to do what? Replace this password that we have here with a hashed password. Now, how can we hash a password? This now takes us to this website called bcryptgenerator.com. So bcryptgenerator.com is basically a website that helps you hash a password. So what we're going to do is what? Put in a new password here. Let's say we put in my new pass as the password. And I click on what? Now I click on generate hash. Now once I generate hash, it is going to give me the hashed version of this password, the encrypted version of this password. So this one I will just copy. I'll copy this hash. Now go back to my phpMyAdmin and then update this information here with what I have just copied. Now just click this. Automatically we see we have saved this information. Now if I go back to the admin login, go back to the admin, this is the admin panel, put in my email, and then let me put in my password. This is the old password, so let me just put in the password. So what password are we putting in? The password that we copied, that we typed here. Copy this password, go back to this admin panel and paste it here. Now click on login. You will see that automatically it gives us access to where? The admin panel of this website. So this short video I've just shown you how to do what? Update any password at all. Whether you forgot the password, you want to reset the password, you don't know how to go about it, all you need to do is what? Come over to phpMyAdmin and reset the password from here. Did you find this video helpful? Ensure you go down to the comment section below and tell me thank you so much for giving you this wonderful information, and ensure you like this video and make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, because on this channel we'll give you so many tips that would help you resolve whatever issues you have on your website. Now, do you have a special problem you're trying to fix on your website and you don't know how to fix it? Come on, go to the comment section below and tell me what that problem is, and I'll show you how to fix that problem in my next video. We'll also have other videos that will display on your screen now. Those videos basically are to show you how to fix some wonderful problems you do not know how to fix before. Watch that video and thank me in that video. I'll see you in that video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe now that I'm seeing you, subscribe now, and go to the comment section. Either you say thank you or you tell me a problem you have that you want me to help you resolve down there in the comment section below. I'll see you in that comment section.